Alright guys, today we're reviewing the Kobalt 439 piece tool set. I got this for $185 at Lowe's on sale. I already opened it up. I just opened it up, but here's the thing. All of these pieces right here were all loose and thrown right here. So after I put them into place, I was like, hey, why not do a review? And here we are. So this right here, screwdriver, kind of have to push into it, and then it'll seat. Same with all those. It has quite a bit of options. I've never even seen these in a tool set before. Like you have security bits, like for sure those I've seen those are security bits. Your T Allens and whatever they're called. In any case, so let's do a review. We have Allen wrenches, standard and metric, I would assume. You have your adapters and your I forgot what these are called. The different, you know what they're. Screwdrivers, little small screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. I'm assuming these are 1/4 inch bits. This comes out. Oh, see, kind of like, excuse me, kind of like what I was talking about. Like, I mean, is it the biggest deal? No, but that just kind of makes me wonder if when I do put them into place, are they always gonna come out like this, or it's not a big deal, but it might be if you're trying to, I mean, long-term storage, you know. Okay, this is pretty cool looking. Not bad, I like it. Bigger. Well, tough to get out, but it's kind of hard with one hand. So I guess these aren't really made to come out, but so it's kind of bugging me. So this one, there it is. So if you needed to work on something, you can actually just pull this whole tray out. This is the etching. They did all of that. Wonder why they just didn't put this right here. $120. Interesting. But in any case, they're all etched out like that. We better look at the ratchet. For the price, again, 400 pieces, lifetime warranty. I don't like the way this feels. They had another 300 piece, 300 piece for like $300. And from what I got from that is it had way more extensions, which I'll probably just buy anyway. But in any case, excuse the noise in the back. That's my review.